Okay, so this might be random, but if you do any kind of painting, DIYs, or crafts, or organizing at home, having masking tape in bulk is literally a lifesaver. Okay, let me open one of them for you. I hate running out every 5 seconds. So this pack comes with 30 rolls, and each one is super long, so it lasts forever. The quality is actually really, really good. Let me show you. It tears easily by hand, sticks well, and peels off without leaving that annoying sticky residue behind. Guys, I use it for everything, for painting edges, labeling boxes, organizing stuff, and even random little DIY projects around the house. Honestly, this is one of those boring purchases that ends up being way more useful than you think, and it is very, very sturdy. Look at this. So not unless you tear it like that, it won't tear.